Holy fucking shit, man. You've got to be kidding me.
Huh?
You have got to be fucking kidding me. I hope I can get out of this lane. They're in between the lane I'm in right now. What's the time? The fucking ice chunks are 3 feet high. Like, I'm in the very left lane, and then the lane to the right of me, it looks like the plows pushed it over, and it's like big boulders of fucking snow and ice. Oh my god, this is awesome. I've never seen it like this. So yeah, they half-ass plowed it, and if you ran straight through it, it would destroy your car in about 15 feet.